So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit shape color in Google Slides. So first thing you have to do is go into Google Slides and add a shape to your document. So we're just going to go to the top right here and press on the plus icon, then scroll down to where it says shapes and press on where it says shapes. For this demonstration, we're going to go ahead and use a circle. So how about we use a circle right here? I'll make it a little bit larger for you guys, and it's pretty straightforward. So as of right now, the shape is sort of a gray color. If you wanted to edit the shape color, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the shape color. At the bottom, there's 3 different options. There's sort of a fill icon, a pencil icon, or a thickness icon. So we're just going to go ahead and press on the first one on the far left, which is the fill icon. And as you can tell here, you can either fill with the solid color or no color or whatever. So you can just go ahead and press on whatever you want. So if you wanted to do maybe a shade of blue, you can go ahead and press on blue and then press on this one right here. If you wanted to use a theme color, you can use a theme color right here. Whatever the case may be, it's pretty straightforward. You can go ahead and pick a color. Once that is done, just exit out of here. And there you go. That's how you guys can edit the shape color of a shape here in Google Slides. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.